Yo guys, welcome to another video. This is a crazy beautiful trade I had today. Look at this, tapped and go TP in just one candle. So first, before the breakdown of the trade today, I like to show you my trading journal from this month. If you watch the video I made before, you know I changed from 2R to 1R, yeah. So, and the change is going very well. This month I'm with 8% win gain with 70% win rate. As you can see, I have more win strikes because this strategy with 2R having many break-evens. For example, these 4 would be a break-even trades on 2R, instead a 6% gain with 1R, risking 2%. So as you can see, I risk always 2%, just Nasdaq, and yeah. Last year I finished with 10%. Let's see how this month will finish. But until now it's going very well. So I'm grateful until now from this change to 2R with 1R, because was like I had to have like many courage to do this, because you know the hate about 1R, and if you do like 1R, it's like you are outside of the trade circle. So yeah, but I'm here to prove the the other side of the 1R, so I hope this will be great to show to the people that 1R is so underrated. So as you can see here, I will break down my trade today. So as you can see, Nasdaq is so high, yeah. So I don't have like any resistance, basically. I just marked this one as my support before the Indies Open, and I marked this one too, and the other one was like this one. Okay, so yeah, you can mark just 2, but if you want a third one, yeah, you mark it. Next you go to the 5 minutes, and as you can see here, for buys I had this zone here, and I check to the left and I have this price rejecting from here, so I just update to there. Okay, and for sells I have if price break out the 4-hour zone, I will sell below this zone here, and you can see here price reacted from in this open right here like sniper. But as if you watched my previous videos, you know that I don't like to trade zones that price break before the Indies Open. So I like to trade the first break and retest during the session. So this zone here, I deleted. Okay, as soon as I saw the candle before the Indies Open closed below this zone. So I need new zones, and what the new zones are, this one for example, I marked just zones that are from the current day, okay, because more on the left this is to hold, and hold zones on 5 minutes is not a good idea. So yeah, you have this support here, and you have this one too, and I had these two, but when I see like 2 zones like so close to each other, I just delete this one, and I prefer to use the more extreme. Okay, so yeah, now the trade was this here. I was like preparing my trade to enter on retest on this candle here, but this candle failed to close below my zone, as you can see, and big rejection. Okay, so yeah, I waited for another candle, and then the next candle finally closed below, rejecting again this zone. But yeah, the rules are just break and retest, so I just played. Closed below, I set my entry on retest, 25 pips. Why is not working? Okay, 25 pips SL, 25 TP, and you can see the TP hit just in one candle. Okay, or I stepped and go to TP directly. So yeah, guys, this was a crazy trade, like so clean. As you can see, we are below the 4-hour, we are below the moving average, so just meaning sells. And yeah, price broke this zone too early, but I have more zones for the day. For example, this zone here I will not mark because you don't have enough range to trade against the 4-hour, so this is not a valid for me. Okay, but yeah, as you can see here, price just reacted from this from like sniper. So I like to know in the comments below if you are doing this strategy, or if you are at least enjoying this strategy, or if you have like a friend that are struggling with a simple strategy. He is doing like complex stuff like Malaysian SNR, ICT, blah blah blah, many complex things. And if you know if he needs like a simple strategy to use, share this video with him or with her. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and these new videos, because yeah, I was looking for a simple strategy. I'm doing this strategy for the last year and doing for this year too. I just changed the 2R to 1R this year because last year I suffered with many break-evens, and I just saw the 1R playing so nicely. So yeah, I hope I can make this thing happen with the simple strategy with 1R, to prove that 1R is so underrated and you don't need to like so complex things to make this work. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe to help me and for me to see your love for my content, for me to have more motivation to continue to posting this strategy, and maybe more breakdowns, more tips, more free stuff. So hope you enjoy this video.